In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an Aged Payables report on Xero. This quick and straightforward process will help you keep track of outstanding amounts and manage your payables more efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be able to generate either a detailed or summary report of your aged payables with ease. First things first, open up your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that there's a menu bar located at the top of your screen, which provides access to various functions and features within Xero. Our focus today will be on the reporting section. It's where all the comprehensive financial reports are neatly organized for you to explore. Go ahead and click on Reporting in that top menu bar. This will take you to a broader section where you can access all available reports. Once you've clicked in, you'll see an option labeled All Reports. Selecting this will reveal a comprehensive list of reports you can run within Xero. It's a useful feature because it categorizes everything in a simple and accessible manner. Upon reaching the Report section, you'll want to narrow your search to find the specific report you're after, the Aged Payables Report. Depending on what you prefer, Xero offers two different views, the Aged Payables Detail or the Aged Payables Summary. Both serve the purpose of showing you what amounts are due and have been unpaid, organized by the age of the invoice. The detail report provides a more granular level of information, showing each unpaid invoice. In contrast, the summary gives you an overall view, ideal for a quick glance at the big picture. So depending on your needs, look for either the Aged Payables Detail or Aged Payables Summary in the list. Once you've identified which one suits your needs, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the report and automatically generate data based on your business's current payables information. And there you go. Just like that, you now have access to your aged payables data. This report is essential for staying on top of what's due and when, ultimately aiding in better cash flow management and helping you fulfill your obligations in a timely manner. Remember, regularly reviewing your aged payables ensures you're never caught off guard by unexpected outgoings. So, that's all there is to it. You now know how to effortlessly run an aged payables report within Xero. Should you need to revisit these steps, feel free to replay this segment or access Xero's built-in guides for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!